Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is my 4th episode. Today is a special episode that would like to introduce what Malaysian Chinese will be celebrating. It's a traditional Chinese festival celebrated on the 5th day of the 5th month of the lunar calendar. In 2025, that falls on May 31st. The festival originated in China to honor a patriotic poet named Ku Yuan. When his country was invaded, he drowned himself in a river as an act of protest. Locals rushed out in boats to save him, and that became today's dragon boat races. To keep the fish from eating his body, they threw rice dumplings into the water. That tradition evolved into what we now know as Zongzi sticky rice dumplings. There are many types of Zongzi, but two popular ones are Alkaline Water Zongzi, yellow, chewy, and slightly sweet. It's usually eaten with sugar or red bean paste. Savory Meat Zongzi, filled with marinated pork, rich and flavorful. It's especially popular in southern China and Southeast Asia. In today's video, I'm truly honored to welcome a very special guest, my personal chef, my mom. She'll be showing you how to make two classic types of Zongzi, starting with the Alkaline Water Zongzi. No pork, no lard. Ingredients: glutinous rice, food grade, lye water, alkaline water, bamboo leaves, red bean paste, optional, and string. Soak the rice. Soak glutinous rice for 4 to 6 hours. Then mix in a small amount of lye water until the rice turns slightly yellow. Prepare the leaves, soak and clean the bamboo leaves, then boil to soften. Wrap the Zongzi, fold the leaf into a cone, fill with rice, red bean pastes, and wrap tightly into a triangle or pillow shape. Boil, simmer the wrapped Zongzi in water for 5 hours until translucent and springy. Serve. Let it cool and enjoy with sugar, syrup, or sweet fillings like red bean paste. Homemade alkaline dumpling, Jiang Shui, Zong Qi Cheng, food review. This homemade alkaline dumpling is a true celebration of tradition and simplicity. The texture is beautifully soft yet slightly chewy, just the way a good Qi Cheng should be. The slight bitterness from the lye water is balanced out perfectly when eaten with sugar or kaya. The golden yellow hue is natural and appealing, showing great attention to detail during preparation. While minimalist in flavor, it's incredibly satisfying in its purity. A clean and classic treat that's best enjoyed red bean paste. Savory Meat Zongzi with salted egg yolk and mushrooms, non-halal. Ingredients: glutinous rice, peeled mung bean, pork belly, salted egg yolks, chestnut, dried shiitake, mushrooms, shallot, red onion small, light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, salt, sugar, bamboo leaves, and string. Marinate the pork. Marinate pork chunks in soy sauce, oyster sauce, and pepper for at least 4 hours. Prepare fillings. Soak mushrooms until soft, slice or leave whole. Cut salted egg yolks in half. Soak the rice. Soak glutinous rice for 4 to 6 hours. Lightly season with salt if desired. Prepare leaves, wash and boil the bamboo leaves until pliable. Fry the glutinous rice until fragrant. Heat a generous amount of oil over low heat. Slowly fry the shallots and small red onions until golden and fragrant. Add the soaked glutinous rice, then pour in the seasoning. light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, salt, sugar. Stir fry evenly until the rice is well coated and colored. Set aside. Wrap the zongzi. Fold a leaf into a cone. Layer with rice. Then add pork belly, peeled mung bean, mushroom, chestnut, and salted egg yolk. Cover with more rice and wrap tightly into a triangle or pillow shape. Boil, simmer for 4 hours until fully cooked and fragrant. Serve best enjoyed hot savory, rich with creamy egg yolk and umami from the mushrooms. Homemade savory meat dumpling bak chang, salty glutinous rice dumpling. Food review. This homemade savory zongzi is packed with flavor and heart. The glutinous rice is well seasoned and cooked to perfection. Not too soft, not too firm. Each bite delivers a rich combination of ingredients: tender pork belly, salted egg yolk, mushrooms, chestnuts, and dried shrimp. The layers of umami are deep, and the aroma from the bamboo leaves enhances every bite. It's clearly made with care and generosity. The fatty meat melts in your mouth, balanced by the slightly sticky rice. A hearty, flavorful delight that captures the essence of homemade comfort food. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this special episode. See you guys again in the next episode. Adios.